Hello student, now again we complete our rotational dynamic chapter. So now we learn new topic, vertical circular motion. Last lectures we see applications of uniform circular motion. Now in this lecture we see a vertical circular motion. So now what is vertical circular motion? So definition of vertical circular motion: a body revolves in a vertical circle such that its motion at different points is different. Then the motion of the body is said to be vertical circular motion. So uniform circular motion we do that, and we see a horizontal circular motion. Okay, now in this point we see a vertical circular motion, means the body revolves in a vertical circle. Okay, so our first point we see this diagram for a vertical circular motion, and we see the expression for vertical circular motion. Okay, now in this diagram we see A position, B position, C and D. Means uppermost means highest position, then B position is lowermost means lower position, and means below position, and midway positions is C and D. When body circulate in a vertical circular motion, it changes its position from highest to bottom condition or highest to lowest position, then come to the midway position. Okay, so let us see. Mass tied to a string. Consider a bob arc mass M suspended from a light string of length L, this is the L, and rotate in a vertical circle of radius R. Okay, this radius is R. So uppermost position A. The weight mg and tension TA, means position at A point. So tension TA denoted or tension at A point, acting in downward direction. Again let us see a figure. Now in this figure, this is the A, means highermost or uppermost position. So in this condition, TA means tension is acted downward direction, means mass tied to a string, and then it's circulate in vertical motion. Then at this position, tension A is denoted a TA, and mg, your weight of the mass is mg, and both acting at downward directions. Okay, so we get here equation. So we get here equation mg plus TA, because here A is small because T means tension and A is position of mass. So here write down A as like. Okay, so mg plus TA is equal to mv square A. Here again A is the position, so write as like v square, write as in this condition. Okay, so mv square A upon R. So mv square upon R is the centripetal force which necessary for the mass continuously move in a vertical circular motion. This is the equation number 1. So these two forces balances a vertical circular motion, and so mg plus TA is equal to mv square A upon R. When TA means TA is equal to 0, means tension at highermost or uppermost position is 0. So we get here mg is equal to mv square A upon R, means here TA is equal to, put up the 0, and we get mg is equal to mv square A upon R. So Here neglecting m means cancel out so we get here remaining terms are v square is equal to, so v square a is equal to rg. The denominator r is come to the numerator in opposite direction, so we get here v square a is equal to rg, and then we put up a square root, we get value of means speed or velocity of mass va is equal to root of rg. We get here v is equal to root of rg. Now find out next expression for the lowermost position. Lowermost position means bottom position, means at B position. Now in this condition we see here tension acted upward direction and again mass acted downward direction, mg acted down. So TB means tension at B position or bottom position or lowermost position is equal to mg. Okay, so we get here find out here expression for bottommost position. So at bottommost position or at lowest position B, tension in upward direction and down weight in downward direction. So we get equation TB minus mg because tension and weight is opposite direction. So you get here minus is equal to, again this also circular motion, so mv square b upon r. This is the equation number 2. So as it comes from top to bottom, the change in potential energy equal to change in kinetic energy, because when mass come from top to bottom condition, then here potential energy is change in potential energy is exactly in change in kinetic energy. So we get here expression mg2r is equal to half mvb square, because it's come from top to position lowermost position, so minus half mv square a. So change in kinetic energy, change in potential energy is exactly equal to change in kinetic energy from highest point to lowest point, means at A point to B point. So here half mv square is the formula for kinetic energy. Okay, and mgr here is the formula for potential energy. So here potential energy is 2r. So we get the expression vb square minus va square is equal to 4rg. So here we find out from here again m cancel out, and then remaining term is 2rg, and here half is come to the 2 here, so we get here 4rg. Okay, so v square b minus rg is equal to 4rg is exactly equal to v square b is equal to 5rg. So Vb is equal to root of 5rg. So for better understanding, we come to a point again we solving this. So this expression for better understanding. So it here again m cancel out 2rg, and then we get Vb square minus Va square is equal to 4rg, and Vb square minus rg is equal to 4rg. So we know that Va is equal to means velocity at uppermost position is Va is equal to root of rg. Already we find out. So put up this value in this equation, then we get Vb square is equal to 4rg plus rg. We get here 5rg. So Vb is equal to root of 5rg. We get this velocity for bottommost position. So now here find out a tension from bottom to highest position condition. We found a tension. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get Tb minus Ta means tension at point B minus tension at point A minus 2mg is equal to mr v square B minus v square A. So we get here Tb minus Ta is equal to mg plus m upon r. Here value of Vb is 5rg and Va square is equal to minus rg. So we get here TB minus TA is equal to 2 mg plus 4 mg is equal to 6 mg, correct? Because here 5 Rg into minus Rg, we get here 4 Rg, and then here we get mg plus 4 mg is equal to 6 mg. So tension at bottom to highest point, we get here 6 mg. So now find out position when the string is horizontal, means at C and D condition. Again see the figure. Now at this condition, means C and D position is the midway position. So in this midway position, again mg means weight of the mass is acted downward directions and tension acted toward the center. Okay, so we find out here a expression. So here tension from midway position at point C minus TA means highest position is equal to TD minus TA, both sides. So it's equal to 3 mg. So VC minimum is equal to, means velocity at C point is minimum, velocity is equal to VD, means velocity at D position, minimum velocity is equal to root of 3 Rg. So at arbitrary position, so force due to tension and weight are neither along the same line nor perpendicular. Okay, and the tangential component of weight is used to change the speed. It decreases the speed while going up and increasing while going down. Okay, so arbitrary position means at which condition what's happening in force, tension and speed. Okay.